Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are showing you guys just some antifreeze that we use in my wife's car. Now we did check, even though it just says Toyota, Lexus, and Scion, we did check it. We looked up the manufacturer for the Mazda 3 and you can use this. So here it says Scion, Mazda, Hyundai, Isuzu, Lexus, Kia, Nissan, Infiniti, Suzuki, Datsu, I probably didn't pronounce that right, Toyota, Honda, Acura, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Daewoo. So you can use this in those vehicles, and it's a good grade. It's what we've always used. So just wanted to do a video on this. If you got a foreign vehicle that we just listed, you guys can use this with it, and it will help keep your vehicle going.